Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will showing you how to remove black dots and color streaks from the image in Kyocera TASKalfa 5054 Ci printer. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.